Hey guys, it's Sarah from Sleepopolis, and today we'll be taking a look at the Nectar adjustable base. Now, using an adjustable base can really take your sleep experience to the next level because you can change your position and angles so you can feel as relaxed as possible. That's not all this base can do, so let's check it out. All right, so first things first, setup. It's actually pretty easy and doesn't require any tools. However, because the base is mostly made out of metal, it's actually quite heavy. So if I were you, I would take advantage of the company's white glove delivery service. They'll bring it in for you, set it up, and even take your old bed frame out with them. So, not a bad idea. However, if you do want to set it up for yourself, it obviously comes with an instruction manual, and I break it all down for you in my full written review, which is linked below. All right, let's see what this base can do. Now, you'll notice that I am on the Nectar mattress, but just remember, you don't need a Nectar mattress to enjoy the Nectar adjustable base. Any adjustable base compatible mattress will do just fine. Okay, so once you do have everything set up, your mattress is on your base, everything's plugged in, you're good to go, all you need to use is the remote. So something that I like about the remote, because admittedly I'm not the most tech-savvy person around, is the buttons are pretty self-explanatory. So if you want to raise the head of the bed, just click the button that says head with the upward arrow. You can't just press the button and then let go. It'll stop once you let go. So just keep your finger on the button for as long as you want it to raise. As you can see, it actually comes up quite a bit. So if you do really like to sit up in bed, look at that. All right, and then if you want to raise the foot, again, just hit the button that says foot with the upward arrow. It's kind of a slow moving transition, but you're in bed. Do you really want it to go that fast? It actually is giving my body a really nice stretch, so that's nice. But there are also some preset positions. The one that I think is very cool is called zero gravity, and that button is labeled ZG for zero gravity. When you press that button, it is preset to put you in the position that, as the company puts it, is designed to make your body feel weightless. So basically, it's supposed to offer you the best body distribution, sort of enhance blood flow, and kind of relieve some pressure in your back. Okay, so this is what the zero gravity position looks like, and I have to say I am feeling pretty weightless. But then the others are anti-snore, which puts your head at sort of a very slight raise in the head. So it's really only just a little bit sort of keeping you up so you're not totally flat on your back, which is going to help you reduce snoring. And then there's the TV position, which, as you probably could guess, is just going to raise the head of the bed so that you're able to sort of sit up and get a better look at the TV. While Nectar does have these 3 preset positions for you, you can also preset up to 3 positions of your own. So for example, say this is the ideal position for me, and I really want to be able to jump back to this exact angle the next time I get into bed. All I do is press and hold the M1 button, and then the next time I want to use this, I hit M1 and boom, right back to this position. And like I said, you can do that up to 3, so you'll see there's an M1, M2, and M3 button. Now, like I said, changing position isn't all this can do. There's also a massage feature. So under there's head and foot. I don't know if you can hear that, but again, it's vibrating. It's not exactly whisper quiet, but it is offering sort of like a pleasant white noise sound. But, light sleepers might be something to think about. The vibration does make a little bit of a noise, but it is sending some pleasant vibrations through my back, kind of relaxing me. You can also choose to have the head and the foot by pressing the head and the foot buttons vibrate simultaneously. So the whole mattress is vibrating right now. It feels kind of nice. And you can adjust the intensity at which it vibrates by hitting the mode button, which is right at the bottom. Once you want to turn off, just hit the off button. Everything will turn off. And whenever you want your mattress to go back to flat, literally just hit the flat button and it'll go right back to flat. Oh, and there are a couple other features too. For example, this remote, there's a little picture of a flashlight on one of the buttons, so you can hit that. Use your remote as a little flashlight should you want to do some late night wandering. And on one side of the base are 2 USB ports. So you can charge your phone, your tablet, devices like that. But remember, don't stare at your phone while you're in bed for too long. And if you want to know more about why that is, there's plenty about that on sleepopolis.com. Well, that wraps up this review, but for every last detail on the Nectar adjustable base, what the home trial period is like, the prices, the sizes, be sure to check out my full written review, which is linked below. Now, I do hope you found this review to be helpful, and if you did, be sure to like and subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media, so we're always going to be uploading content with one main thing in mind, to get you the best sleep you can. Oh, and if you're not sure that you've got the right mattress to go with your adjustable base, just Google Sleepopolis best mattresses, and we'll help you find that too. Well, thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you next time.